Acquiring from manufacturer part search panel to the workspace. If a component that you have found in the manufacturer part search panel has Altium design models, it will display the green icon. If a component has models, the schematic symbol and footprint models will be listed in the component details pane of the panel. Click the information button in the panel to display this pane, or click the app button at the bottom of the panel if the panel is in its compact mode. This component can be acquired to your connected workspace. To acquire a component from the panel to your connected workspace, first, select the Acquire command. Select Acquire from the menu of the Download button in the Component Detail pane. And then right-click on the component and select Acquire from the context menu. Second, Create New Component dialog will open. Select component data you would like to add to the new component and click OK. Fourth, apply changes to the new component definition as required. Fifth, save the new component to the connected workspace using the File, then Save to Server command from the main menus. Lastly, in the Edit Revision for Item dialog that opens, type in a meaningful comment to the component item revision release into the Release Notes field and click OK. The acquired component will then be available for placement from your connected workspace to the design through the Components panel.